there is no coding block which allows us to make our character look towards the other direction. Gandhiji is facing left. There is something called direction, but this is more appropriate to objects. See, if I rotate, this is what the character goes through. We can come to the costumes window, and this is where it is very easy to do. But this means we need to duplicate a character, and we need to have them ready in all the directions, in both the directions. So I'm going to select this costume and I'm going to use flip horizontal. So before I do this, I'm going to duplicate. So right click on the costume and press duplicate. And same thing here. So I've got duplicate of this and duplicate of right. So I'm going to pull it down so that I have the sets left and right facing towards the left, and then I'm going to use flip horizontal. There you go, he's looking to the right. Same thing, looking to the right. So I'm going to name it in such a way that we can identify easy. So MG left foot right, looking right, LR, looking right. Now let's come back to our code. Now first we want Gandhiji to start from here, looking left. Yeah? And then once he reaches here, we want to do the same thing and make him walk towards the right. So what we can do is, we can copy this code. Okay, so to copy, you can just select the piece of code you want to copy, like this, and then copy, that is Control C or Command C, and Command V or Control V to paste. I'm going to place it here, and then I'm going to switch costume, this. Now remember, I also have to make another change. Now I'm going to walk him towards the right. So instead of minus, we require plus. Okay. Now with this, let's have him walk. Now when I press the green button, he's nowhere to go. So what we can do the initial placing. And for any placement, what do we have to do? We come to motion and we use the go to position. Repeat 10 is only taking him till here. So we can increase the number of loops. So we can make it, we can try 14 and see. Yeah, so he's done the loop once. And now we want him to keep walking until we stop. So for that, now you all notice it is the forever loop. Okay, so we put the forever loop and we put all the code in it. I'm also going to make it 16 because there was still some space.